Hello, let's take a look at your MT1 or MT10 LT1 seminar. As usual, do the first 5 questions. We'll go over those in class. We're going to start with these graphics here. The first graphic we're going to look at is we have a monomial. We did this in Chapter 8, and in Chapter 8, we said a monomial doesn't have anything weird in it when it comes to the variables. That is, all our exponents are positive, and there's no fractional exponents. My numbers can be anything. It could be a number, like 12. It could be a letter, like X, or it would be a combination of numbers and letters. But all the exponents are positive. When we talk about the degree of a monomial, we add the exponents in that monomial. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So the first one has a degree of 5. When we have names for those degrees, if you have a degree of 0, that is, if you just don't have any variables, that's a constant. Linear means to the first power, like mx plus b, like x plus 8 or 3/4 x minus 6. Quadratic is to the second power. Cubic is to the third power. We have quartic, which is to the fourth power. And we have quintic, which is to the fifth power. Now we have names for any power, but usually after cubic we just say it's that degree. Even quartic, we don't talk about that often, or quintic, we don't talk about that often. But anything, if you have like an eighth power, instead of the name, we'll say it's an eighth degree polynomial. Now, when we look at the number of terms, that's a little different. Number is how many terms you have. Monomial, we talked about, because that's what we did in Chapter 8, is just one term. Binomial, like bicycle, is 2. Trinomial is 3. Anything beyond that, we just refer to as a polynomial. So, in the last one here, notice my biggest exponent. Now, we do not add across plus signs or minus signs when it comes from degree. So if I take 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 6. Notice my first degree is 3. My second degree is 2. My third term is 1. I think I said degree, I meant term. And my last term has a degree of 0. I don't add those. I just pick the biggest one. So this is what we're going to call a cubic polynomial, because it has more than 3 terms, so we just say general term is polynomial.